volunteers at Tabor and the staff at Tabor.
Thank you to you. I know you are 100 for
inclusivity. As many of you know,
opportunities, but we need to do more.
Lord and everyone for the years of work, for the vision, for knowing you could Luther King weekend, which we are approaching, so this open. Luther King says, I have a dream.
It is a pleasure to be
told to provide opportunity for every person in this community. If we're not making those critical link,
a critical link, all the great work you've done, and just as great. But I do want to train contracting agencies. We're going to make it simple. This state needs an equity office to really focus.
So we're here today representing Team Oromia Seattle, and we're here for the grand opening for Tabor. And so here we met a lot of influential people, a lot of people from CEOs from the governor to city officials. And Tabor100’s main mission is to support minority businesses and mainly economic development.